Hey there, did you know that you can actually turn your car into a fully wireless AI-powered hub while keeping all your favorite Android apps running seamlessly? Today we are taking a look at the ATOTO CB7 Pro, a powerful smart box that converts your wired CarPlay and Android Auto into wireless while also giving you a full Android 13 experience with 4G LTE, HDMI input and output, and also advanced AI features. But before we start our review, I want to mention that this product was sent to us by the brand ATOTO in exchange for a review, and while I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. First off, let's start with what comes inside the box. You will get the ATOTO CB7 Pro unit itself, the AC4450 Bluetooth OBD adapter for reading vehicle data, and the ACHD21F DVR camera. This camera connects via a 2.5mm jack, records at 1080p at 25 frames per second. You also get all the necessary power and data cables to ensure a stable connection. The industrial design features a clean, compact, hex saucer style look that fits neatly on your dashboard without taking up unnecessary space. Setup is straightforward and beginner-friendly. The CB7 Pro is powered by a Qualcomm QC M6125 processor, runs Android 13, and is available in either a 4GB RAM with 64GB storage version or an upgraded 8GB of RAM with 128GB storage version. Performance is smooth and responsive. You can run multiple apps at the same time, stream content, and use navigation without lag, and it also has built-in 4G LTE with cloud virtual SIM, keeps you connected on the road anytime, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tethering give you flexible internet options. And if you are looking for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, the CB7 Pro handles both effortlessly. Even if your car only supports one system, the CB7 Pro adds the other wirelessly, giving you full compatibility and runs in every vehicle. You are also not limited to CarPlay or Android Auto apps. You can run full Android apps independently for audio, video streaming, navigation, and utilities. The CB7 Pro uses dual Bluetooth architecture to keep everything running smoothly. One Bluetooth channel is dedicated to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, while the second handles BLE accessories and network sharing. You can connect BLE accessories like footwell lights or an AI display and control lighting. As you see, the footwell lights are really nice, and you can pretty much customize what shows in the display, which is really nice, where you can customize the scenes, icons, and type in short messages directly from the screen, just to mention that these accessories are sold separately. And for entertainment, it includes HDMI output to send video to a rear display and HDMI input for external devices such as game consoles or TV boxes, which allows dual screen usage where the driver keeps navigation on the main screen while passengers enjoy movies or shows in the back. On the smart side, the CB7 Pro includes built-in AI support powered by Drive Chat, which is supported by OpenAI ChatGPT, where you can use voice commands to control your audio, change it, ask questions, or check information like weather or campsite details. And one of the impressive features also of the CB7 Pro is that it works with the AC4450 OBD module, which sends vehicle data to the main call hub, where Drive Chat analyzes this data and it alerts you to abnormalities and provides intelligent driving recommendations. And of course, you can connect it to any other OBD apps in order to have access to the OBD data in general. And with AI and vehicle data combined, the CB7 Pro enables several smart features, including smart fuel reminders with nearby gas station recommendations, AI fault code interpretations that turns error codes into simple explanations on supported models, and GeoSense contextual prompts such as rest areas alerts or school zone warnings. And also to mention some future updates of this CB7 Pro, which includes wireless camera support, which is expected around mid-2026, which is compatible with the ATOTO WR2A wireless camera system, and remote monitoring through the SSHUB app, so you can view your vehicle's camera feed from your phone. Also, when paired with the cameras and CB7 Pro modules, Drive Chat will also offer advanced AI features such as visual road condition alerts, cabin safety reminders for children or pets left inside, and AI vehicle recognition that displays simple vehicle type labels while parked or waiting. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this ATOTO CB7 Pro. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helps you decide whether it's the best fit for you and your vehicle. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours. See you in the next video. Peace.